The 4 elements for creating a YouTube video. To create a video for YouTube, 4 elements or components are necessary. These 4 elements are required for every video that you create and upload on YouTube, regardless of whether you have a faceless or a regular channel. Number 1, script. Number 2, voiceover. Number 3, video. And finally, number 4, thumbnail picture. Let's briefly discuss each of these elements. Script. Writing the script is the first and most important step. You cannot make a YouTube video without a script. A script is a detailed written document that outlines the entire content, dialogue, and structure of a video that you intend to upload. A script basically comprises of the spoken dialogue. This includes not only what you are going to say, but also any narration that accompanies the video visuals. A well-prepared and well-written script forms the foundation of a successful YouTube video. It provides direction, clarity, and shows professionalism, ultimately enhancing the overall viewer experience. Voiceover. A voiceover is when someone talks over a video, explaining what's happening or providing additional information about the video. A voiceover provides context, an explanation, or commentary to complement the on-screen visuals. This also includes background music and sound effects to further enhance the audiovisual experience of the viewer. A voiceover is the second most important component of a YouTube video, contributing to its effectiveness, engagement, and overall success. Video. A video consists of visual elements, which can be in the form of static images, animation, or dynamic footage or visuals. Collectively, these elements convey information, entertainment, or any desired message to the viewers. Creating visually compelling videos is key to attracting and retaining viewers on YouTube. Thumbnail picture. A thumbnail picture in YouTube is an image that represents the video. The thumbnail picture is displayed alongside its title and description, wherever it appears on YouTube. Thumbnails are often the first thing potential viewers see when browsing YouTube. Thumbnails serve as a visual representation of your video and helps viewers decide whether to click and watch the video or not. Investing time and effort into creating attention-grabbing and relevant thumbnails can significantly enhance the success of your YouTube channel. Once you combine a script with a voiceover, then add a video and finally create a thumbnail picture, you have a video that is ready to be uploaded on YouTube. As we progress further through this course, we're going to discuss each of these 4 elements in much greater detail. We now know that to create any video for YouTube requires 4 elements. There are a number of ways to accomplish these tasks, namely script writing, adding a voiceover, video creation, and finally, making a thumbnail picture. There are 4 ways or methods to accomplish these tasks. Number 1. Do it yourself. Handle all the tasks yourself internally. Number 2. Outsource everything. In this method, we delegate all the tasks to external freelancers. Number 3. Hybrid approach. In this approach, we outsource tasks which require specialized skills and manage the rest of the tasks internally by yourself. Number 4. Use artificial intelligence to automate all of these tasks. Let's discuss each of these methods. Do it yourself, DIY. Managing all tasks by yourself involves overseeing the entire project from start to finish. This includes writing the script, recording the voiceover, creating the video, and designing the thumbnail picture. This can only be done if you possess the necessary skills. With a bit of effort, you can easily manage all the tasks such as script writing, voiceover, creating visuals, and designing your own thumbnails. Fortunately, since this is a YouTube masterclass, further on in this course, we are going to actually show you how to do all these tasks yourself. Outsource everything. In this method, we simply delegate all the tasks to external freelancers. If you are starting a new YouTube channel and have the required budget, you can simply outsource all the tasks. You can easily find and hire freelancers from Fiverr or Upwork. These freelancers are paid a fixed flat rate for their work starting from $10 to $15 per task. However, it is essential to have a thorough understanding of how to perform these tasks yourself before considering to outsource them. That is why we have covered this in details in the forthcoming chapters of this course. Only after you have gained a solid grasp of each task involved in creating YouTube content, you can easily and effectively communicate your requirements to any outsourced team or freelancer. This ensures that the final content created aligns with your vision and meets your expectations. Additionally, understanding these tasks helps you to troubleshoot any issues that may arise during the outsourcing of these tasks. Hybrid approach. In this method, we outsource tasks which require specialized skills and manage the rest of the tasks internally by ourselves. If you are facing budgetary constraints, then do not outsource all the tasks. By outsourcing those tasks that fall outside your core competencies, you can focus on what you do best. For example, many channel owners try to do certain tasks like script writing themselves and outsource only those tasks which require specialized or technical knowledge. Using artificial intelligence or AI. Alternatively, we can also use artificial intelligence software to automate all of these above tasks. AI-powered tools such as ChatGPT can assist in generating scripts and suggest content ideas. Utilizing AI-powered tools such as 11 Labs enables the replication of human voices with exceptional precision, providing a variety of accents, tones, and emotions. AI-powered video creation platforms allow users to generate images and videos automatically from simple text prompts. They can also be used to generate thumbnails. In video AI, Synthesia, Bing Image Creator are just some of the AI-powered video creation platforms out there. There are other platforms like Sora, which can create realistic scenes from simple text instructions. Sora, at the time of making of this video, was still not accessible to the general public. However, it is one of the best AI video generation platforms out there. Let's see what Sora is capable of as an example of the power of AI. This is a video made by AI of a woman walking down the street in Tokyo. Nothing you see in this video is real. It is all made by AI. Let's see this video over here. This looks like a drone shot. All this is made with AI. It is not real. The river, the houses, horses, people, trees, the landscape is all generated by AI. Had I not told you, you probably would have thought this was a clip of an old movie. Now, just imagine the expenses involved in shooting a video about American history in real life for your YouTube channel. It would be a lot cheaper to use AI than real persons for creating similar footage. Although using AI typically comes with a higher price tag as compared to the other methods, the swift progress in AI technology and the growing realism of its content creation suggest that leveraging AI in the near future could ultimately be a more cost-effective option than employing human labor. Just consider the Sora clip we just viewed. Now, imagine the expenses associated with filming a scene depicting the 1800s gold rush in California. In numerous cases, utilizing AI is a lot cheaper than you think. The debate of choosing between AI-generated content and regular stock footage is gaining more significance among content creators. Rest assured, we'll guide you through mastering all these skills. They're all part of this YouTube Master course. And don't worry, it's easy, anyone can do it. You don't need a degree in data science for these skills.